Metaverse for work opens up a whole new world for businesses to make money and reach customers. It comes with a brand new set of business opportunities. Metaverse for business is the future of work and is here now. But wait a minute. What is it and where is it? Let's begin with a definition. What is this metaverse thing? Metaverse is a digital reality where people can work, play, and socialize without being physically present. Our current common perception of metaverse is a bunch of teenagers wearing bulky VR headsets playing games. Some people with wilder imagination think of Matrix the movie. Some business people, including Elon Musk, think Web3 does not exist.
The Great Resignation currently sweeping the world is partially caused by the fact that knowledge workers such as you and I want to work flexible hours as much or as little as we like. We want to be part of a global team working asynchronously and remotely or in hybrid, and we want to be paid in crypto. Make Metaverse work for your business, where people will feel truly empowered and engaged. In fact, chances are, you already do that in 2D, if your team is collaborating in channels by Stork, Discord or Slack or Microsoft Teams for that matter.
In time, people will be able to enter the metaverse, completely virtually, without VR headsets and interact with parts of it in their physical space with the help of augmented reality and mixed reality. Video transcending to a 2D avatar and then to the 3D immersive meetings is the practical way to think about how metaverse really emerges for the business world. But there is much more to it than a 3D. The essential part of the metaverse for work is Web3. And Web3 is based on blockchain.
Of course, there is no substitute for physical presence with virtual reality. But in the metaverse powered by the augmented reality, not the VR, expect to do things that otherwise are impossible in the physical world. Metaverse without fancy goggles is not so distant future either. We're excited about the possibilities. Stay tuned for our next video where we cover the possibilities of augmented reality for businesses. And thank you for watching the Stork to AI channel where we talk about Metaverse for work.